How's it going? I'm the only idiot out here out in the rain, and I just got a bit of gold, and I've just got another piece here. If you can see if you can see that. I'll break it open. We'll have a bit of a look. I don't think it's too big, but nonetheless, a nice little piece of gold. There it is. I've got cold hands, so bear with me. And there it is. Pretty gloomy old day, so I don't know how good this is showing up, but there it is. So that's my second bit for the day, and it's pissing down rain.